Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I use to make some healthy juice for my family. My daughter and I used celery, parsley, apples, carrots, and cucumber with my Omega juicer. What are you gonna do? Celery, cucumber, parsley, apple, or carrot? Do celery first. I got the celery on a really good sale at the organic store, and for juicing I only use organic vegetables because I don't want any of the pesticides or anything bad getting into our food. The juicer I'm using is an Omega masticating juicer, so it basically crushes the vegetables instead of chops them, and it helps to keep the nutrition of the cell of the vegetables intact, which in turn it helps it to last longer in the fridge and it's healthier for us. I will put a link in the description of the juicer that I use. Thank you so much for following along with me, and let me know if you like to juice.